Why is GM cutting 600 IT jobs and hiring AI specialists? 2026. Why is GM cutting 600 IT jobs while hiring AI specialists? This shift signals a major change in tech roles at one of the biggest automakers. You need to know how AI is reshaping jobs right now. General Motors recently announced it will cut 600 IT jobs as part of a strategic workforce shift. At the same time, the company is actively hiring AI specialists to accelerate its focus on artificial intelligence. This move reflects how GM is prioritizing AI-driven innovation over traditional IT roles. The 600 job cuts represent a significant reshaping of their tech workforce, underscoring how automation and AI are transforming corporate staffing. GM's strategy shift is driven by the need to embed AI technologies in vehicle development and production processes. AI specialists bring skills in machine learning, robotics, and data analytics, which are critical for GM's future electric and autonomous vehicles. Traditional IT roles are being reduced since many of those functions are becoming automated or integrated into AI platforms. This realignment positions GM to compete aggressively in the AI-powered automotive market. The 600 IT job cuts directly impact employees in legacy IT roles, many of whom may need retraining or to seek new jobs elsewhere. Meanwhile, GM's growing demand for AI specialists creates openings for workers with AI, data science, and software engineering skills. This workforce shift highlights the widening gap between traditional IT work and advanced AI expertise, affecting job security and career paths within the industry. GM is not alone in shifting from traditional IT jobs to AI-focused roles. Across manufacturing and tech sectors, companies are investing heavily in AI talent to stay competitive. This trend suggests large-scale workforce changes are underway, with automation replacing routine IT tasks and AI specialists driving innovation. For employees and job seekers, this means adapting skills to AI and machine learning will be critical to stay relevant. Workers facing displacement from traditional IT roles should consider upskilling in AI, data analytics, and related fields. Training programs and certifications in machine learning and AI technologies can open doors to new roles at companies like GM. Staying ahead means embracing continuous learning to align with the AI-driven future of work. For those interested, now is the time to pivot and gain expertise where demand is growing. GM's decision to cut 600 IT jobs while hiring AI specialists shows how fast the workforce is changing. If you're in tech, adapting to AI skills could protect your career. Stay informed, upskill, and embrace the AI future. Subscribe for more updates on how technology impacts your job and life.